RBL Bank Q3 Free 2026 results, profit skyrockets 5.5x as asset quality takes a massive leap. RBL Bank has just released its Q3 FY26 earnings, and the numbers are nothing short of a reset. The bank reported a net profit of 214 crore rupees, which is more than 5 times higher than what it earned in the same quarter last year. This 555% surge was driven by healthy loan growth and a significant reduction in credit costs. However, it's important to note that the profit would have been even higher if not for a 32 crore rupee one-time expense related to the new labor codes that came into effect in November 2025. The bank's core income, net interest income, NI, rose by 5% year to 1,657 crore rupees. While the growth was modest, the net interest margin, NIM, showed positive momentum, improving to 4.63% from 4.51% in the previous quarter. This margin expansion is a huge positive, indicating that the bank is successfully repricing its loans and managing its deposit costs even in a tight liquidity market. The headline story for investors is the dramatic improvement in asset quality. For the first time in several quarters, RBL Bank has seen a massive cleanup. Gross NPAs, bad loans, plunged to 1.88% from 2.32% in the previous quarter, a reduction of over 40 basis points. Net NPAs also eased to 0.55%. This cleanup is a direct result of aggressive recovery efforts and a more cautious approach to unsecured lending. However, the bank did issue a cautionary note regarding its credit card portfolio. Management warned that elevated slippages in credit cards are likely to persist for at least 2 more quarters. To balance this risk, the bank is aggressively scaling its gold loan business, with monthly disbursements now hitting 225 rupees -250 crore. This pivot towards secured retail lending is part of a larger strategy to de-risk the balance sheet. In terms of business scale, RBL Bank's total advances grew by 14% to cross the 1 lakh rupee crore milestone. The loan mix is currently balanced at 59% retail and 41% wholesale. Wholesale lending, particularly commercial banking, was a surprise outperformer this quarter, growing at a massive 30% year. On the liability side, total deposits grew 12% to 1.19 lakh rupees crore, though the CASA ratio saw a slight dip to 30.9% as customers shifted toward high-yielding term deposits. Leadership continuity remains a pillar of the bank's strategy. The board has initiated the process to appoint Jaideep Iyer as executive director to succeed Rajiv Ahuja in early 2026. This move, along with the steady hand of CEO R. Subramaniakumar, ensures that the bank's cultural and technological shift continues without interruption. Financially, RBL Bank is well positioned with a provision coverage ratio of 71.09% and a comfortable capital position. With the Union Budget 2026 around the corner on February 1st, RBL Bank is moving from being a distressed asset to a credible turnaround play. The stock has already more than doubled in the last year, and these results provide the fundamental backing for that rally. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.